Today, I'll show you how to manage invoices in HubSpot, making your billing tasks a breeze. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will help you get the most out of the platform's features. So to get started, you'll want to navigate to the commerce section of HubSpot and then click on invoices. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find a comprehensive list of all your past and current invoices, neatly organized and ready for you to manage. This setup allows you to keep track of your financials easily and efficiently. Once you're in the invoices section, you can take advantage of the quick edit sidebar to make changes right on the spot. Simply click on any invoice to open this side panel. This feature is a real time saver, offering you the flexibility to make adjustments without leaving the page. Here, you can set an owner for the invoice. Assigning an owner helps keep your team organized and ensures accountability, making it clear who is responsible for following up on any outstanding payments. Another great feature of this sidebar is the ability to view the invoice history. This chronological timeline shows when the invoice was sent, viewed, or paid. It's an invaluable tool for tracking the progress of your billing processes and can help you identify any potential issues with the payments or communication. If you're dealing with a large number of invoices, you'll appreciate the batch actions feature. This allows you to select multiple invoices and perform actions such as bulk send, bulk void, or download PDFs all at once. This not only saves you time but also reduces the risk of errors by handling repetitive tasks in one go. It's particularly useful during busy periods when you need to manage multiple invoices efficiently. A practical tip to keep in mind: regularly update your invoice settings and templates to reflect any changes in your business operations or branding. Consistency in your invoicing not only looks professional but also helps in maintaining clear communication with your clients. In summary, managing invoices in HubSpot is straightforward and packed with features that make it easier to handle your billing needs. From assigning owners and tracking invoice history to performing batch actions, these tools are designed to simplify your workflow and enhance productivity. By taking advantage of these features, you'll ensure that your invoicing process is both efficient and effective. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to manage your invoices in HubSpot. Give these steps a try and you'll find invoicing can be a seamless part of your business operations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.